Are you looking for uncommon ways to generate passive income and cover your rent in 2025? If so, you're in the right place. This video is packed with 12 unique and actionable passive income ideas designed to help you achieve financial freedom. We'll go through each idea step by step, providing you with everything you need to get started. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, this content is for you. Stay tuned to discover how you can make your money work for you. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to build assets that generate cash flow automatically. The beauty of passive income lies in its potential to provide financial stability and freedom, allowing you to pursue your passions without constant worry about your next paycheck. It's about setting up systems that work for you, even when you're sleeping. Our first idea is royalty income from digital products. This involves creating digital assets like stock photos, music, sound effects, or even fonts, and then licensing them for use. Once created, these products can generate income repeatedly without requiring constant effort. Platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Audio Jungle allow creators to upload their work and earn royalties each time it's downloaded. The key is to produce high-quality, in-demand content that stands the test of time. Next up are high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. While not as flashy as other options, these offer a low-risk way to earn passive income. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, while CDs lock your money away for a set period in exchange for a fixed, often higher, interest rate. These are perfect for parking emergency funds or savings you don't need immediate access to, providing a steady, predictable income stream with minimal effort. Consider renting out your unused storage space. If you have extra space in your garage, attic, basement, or even an unused shed, you can turn it into a passive income stream. Platforms like Neighbor and Storefront connect individuals with spare space to those needing storage. This idea requires very little upkeep once the space is rented, making it an excellent hands-off income source. It's about monetizing something you already own, converting dormant assets into active income generators. Idea number 4 is creating and selling online courses. Do you have expertise in a particular subject? You can package that knowledge into an online course and sell it repeatedly. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy make it easy to create and host courses. Once the course is developed and marketed, it can generate income passively as new students enroll. This method leverages your existing knowledge and allows you to reach a global audience, providing value while earning. Peer-to-peer lending involves lending money directly to individuals or businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Instead of going through traditional banks, you become the lender and earn interest on the loans. You can diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risk. While there's an element of risk, the potential for higher returns makes it an attractive passive income option for those comfortable with lending and credit assessment. A vending machine business can be surprisingly passive once set up. It involves purchasing vending machines, stocking them with popular products, and placing them in high-traffic locations. Once operational, your main tasks involve restocking and collecting cash, which can be done on a flexible schedule. With modern telemetry systems, you can even monitor inventory and sales remotely, making this a truly hands-off venture for consistent cash flow. Dividend investing is a classic passive income strategy. This involves buying stocks of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in stable, dividend-paying companies, you can receive regular income simply for holding their stock. This strategy is ideal for long-term investors looking for consistent returns without actively trading. Reinvesting dividends can also compound your earnings over time. Setting up an automated dropshipping store can generate passive income without managing inventory. In dropshipping, you sell products directly from a third-party supplier to the customer. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly. With automation tools, order fulfillment and customer service can be largely hands-off. The key is to find a profitable niche and reliable suppliers, allowing you to focus on marketing and scaling your online store. Self-publishing ebooks is another excellent passive income idea. If you enjoy writing or have a story to tell, you can write an ebook and publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once published, the ebook can generate royalties every time it's purchased, with no further effort required from your end. This allows you to leverage your creativity and earn income from your intellectual property, reaching a global audience without traditional publishing hurdles. Consider renting out specialized equipment. If you own high-value items like camera gear, construction tools, or party equipment, you can rent them out when not in use. Platforms like Fat Llama or local rental services can help you connect with potential renters. This allows you to monetize expensive assets that might otherwise sit idle, generating income without needing to purchase new inventory, making it a smart way to get a return on existing investments. Creating a niche affiliate website involves building a website focused on a specific topic and promoting products or services related to that niche. You earn a commission when visitors click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Once the website is set up with valuable content and good SEO, it can generate passive income through consistent traffic. This requires initial effort in content creation and promotion, but the income can be largely hands-off afterward. Finally, investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offers a way to invest in real estate without directly owning physical properties. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They trade on major stock exchanges like stocks, making them highly liquid. REITs typically pay high dividends, providing a steady passive income stream and offering diversification for your investment portfolio without the hassles of property management. There you have it, 12 uncommon passive income ideas to help you pay your rent in 2025. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick, but about strategically building assets that generate consistent cash flow over time. Start small, experiment with what resonates with you, and consistently work towards your financial goals. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial insights. See you in the next one.